Reciprocity. This principle is based on the idea that people feel obliged to return favors. If you do something for someone, they are more likely to want to do something for you in return. In persuasion, offering a small concession or favor can encourage others to reciprocate in a more significant way. Scarcity. This involves highlighting the limited availability of something. When people perceive that something is scarce, they may desire it more because they fear missing out. Marketers often use this technique by advertising limited-time offers or exclusive deals. Authority. People tend to respect and follow the lead of those who are perceived as knowledgeable or authoritative in a field. Citing experts, displaying credentials, or demonstrating expertise can enhance persuasiveness. Commitment and consistency. Once people commit to something, they are more likely to follow through to remain consistent with their initial commitment. Persuaders often seek small initial commitments that can be built upon. Liking. People are more easily persuaded by someone they like. Factors that can increase liking include physical attractiveness, similarity, compliments, and cooperative endeavors. Establishing rapport and finding common ground can make your message more persuasive. Social proof. This principle relies on people's tendency to conform to what they believe others are doing. Demonstrating that others are engaged in an activity or believe in an idea can encourage others to follow suit. Testimonials, user numbers, and visible endorsements are common examples of social proof in action. Unity. This technique involves creating a sense of shared identity. When people feel that they are part of the same group or share a common goal or identity, they are more likely to be persuaded. This can be based on shared values, cultural background, or common experiences. Reasoning and logic. Using clear and logical arguments can be very persuasive, especially when the audience values facts and evidence. Presenting data, statistics, and logical arguments can help convince an audience of the validity of your point. Emotional appeal. Emotions can be powerful motivators. Appeals to fear, happiness, sadness, or pride can effectively persuade. Advertisements and speeches often use emotional appeals to connect with their audiences on a deeper level. Storytelling. Narratives and stories can be highly persuasive as they allow the listener to connect emotionally and empathetically. A well-told story can illustrate points more vividly and memorably than abstract arguments.